How do you prepare for a parole board hearing? Imagine standing in front of a panel that holds your future in their hands. Preparing well can make all the difference in showing you're ready to rejoin society. First, get a clear understanding of what the parole board looks at. They want to see if you're no longer a risk to the community. They consider your original crime, your behavior in prison, and if you've taken part in programs that help you grow. They also review psychological reports and your plan for life outside. Next, work closely with a criminal defense lawyer experienced in parole cases. They can review your file, gather supporting documents, and help craft your story. They can also challenge any negative evaluations and make sure your rights are protected during the process. Develop a detailed plan for your life after releases. This should include where you'll live, how you'll find work, and what treatment or support programs you'll attend. Be specific. For example, list potential job leads, scheduled treatment appointments, and stable housing options. Vague plans can hurt your chances. Participate actively in prison programs. Join courses like anger management, substance abuse treatment, or cognitive behavioral therapy. Keep a clean disciplinary record for several years before your hearing. Good behavior shows your commitment to change. Prepare your answers to common questions. Practice being honest and calm. Show genuine remorse and take responsibility without blaming others. Be ready to discuss what led to your crime, including any personal struggles or trauma, but avoid rehashing the case. Gather letters or statements from family, friends, or professionals who support your releases. These can be submitted to the board and sometimes presented in person or over the phone. Their support can strengthen your case. Make sure all your obligations are up to date. Pay any restitution or victim service fees. Showing accountability is important to the board. Undergo psychological assessments if required. These evaluations help the board understand your risk level. If the results are unfavorable, your lawyer can help you interpret or challenge them. If you have any disabilities or limitations, arrange accommodations for the hearing. This might include sign language interpreters or accessible facilities. Finally, prepare yourself emotionally. The hearing can be stressful, so develop ways to stay calm and focused. Practice breathing exercises or visualization techniques to help you stay composed. Thorough preparation is key. Working with your lawyer, having a solid plan, and showing genuine remorse all help present you as ready to be released. Remember, the goal is to prove you're committed to a positive future and capable of reintegration into society.